The next day, Elaine wakes up to find that her office staff have contracted COVID-19.
And I get a text message from my assistant, and she's the one holding the fort while I'm away.
I thought I'd just let you know that there's been another challenge that's just come up. Hafsa has tested positive for COVID.
How are you going to handle this? And I thought, well, you can't handle the Uganda front and handle the office front. So I just sent an email out to everyone and said, I'm away, Hafsa has COVID, and please leave messages, but they probably won't be returned within a week or two.
Elaine boards the plane for a 24-hour flight across 4 time zones.
We're on the plane.
It was like Christmas morning. It really was. It was like, I don't know how this is going to turn out. I'm going to give it my best. It may be a complete farce because I don't know what I'm facing. I don't really know if I can pull this off. And people are going to be watching. And I'm thinking, what's the worst that could happen? No, you're not giving up. No matter what it takes, if it takes you 5 times as long to do this, you're doing it. When they announced it is when it was like, this is real.